Welcome to the second grade dictionary project, Knowledge Building Center. My name is Mrs. Bordis and I'm your media specialist, and I will be walking you through this tutorial on what the Knowledge Building Center looks like and kind of how it works. You'll already have received an explanation from myself and your teacher, but this tutorial will be saved here in the Knowledge Building Center so you can refer back to it anytime if you forget something or you have some questions. This is the class dictionary. This is just kind of the home page. This is to get us started and get us thinking about what dictionaries are used for. They're used for finding the meaning of your vocabulary words, how to spell words, how to pronounce them, and how to use them in sentences. So they're really great resources. The next link is the calendar, and I won't list every date here, but we have each date that we'll be meeting to work on this project, and each time we meet it'll just be for half an hour. And as you can see, we meet on Mondays and Wednesdays. Wednesdays because that's your media center time, and Mondays that's the time your teacher's designated to work on this project either in the classroom or the media center. The dates that are in bold are days that you have something due. So on October 26th, that's when the final project is due. All your vocabulary words and their definitions have to be added to the group document. The next link is for lesson plans, and this is more of a space for myself and your teacher, but it's just a brief overview of this lesson. And down at the bottom we have some attachments here with more detail. The assessment link, this explains how you're going to be graded, and the grades range from S- to S++, and there is more explanation here, and if you have questions you can ask us too. The museum link, this is empty right now because we don't have any knowledge building centers to add, but as we add more throughout the year we can put some of the older ones here so that people can see them as examples. Okay, starting on the tabs at the top, this is more the meat of the Knowledge Building Center. So getting started. How do you get started on this project when you come to the Media Center? You're going to find your partner, which your teacher will already have assigned you. You're going to get the dictionaries, and I'll have already showed you where those are. You're going to find your Google Doc under Workspaces tab here in the Knowledge Building Center, and you and your partner are going to work together to put your vocabulary, your 10 vocabulary words in, and their definitions. And if you finish adding all your 10 vocabulary words, then you can work on your challenge words that your teacher's given you, or you can work on adding synonyms to some of your words. So this is where these are directions for where you get started. Resources. These are the resources that you can use for this project. We have a couple different dictionaries. We have a website, and then we have a database. And this website has a lot of fun stuff. So when you have some time, you guys can play around with that and check out what that has to offer. Tools and tutorials. We'll be watching these videos as a class, but you guys can also come back and rewatch them if you want to. They're just some YouTube videos on dictionaries. Workspaces. This is the place where you and your partner come to work on your 10 vocabulary words and their definitions. And you will, over on the right here, you will each have your own Google Doc. And this is a place where you can experiment putting your words in, practice typing. You can make mistakes here, that's okay. This is like a rough draft. You're just going to practice in here. And over on the left here, if you forget who your partner is, we've listed each set of partners, and under each partner we'll add, your teacher's going to add your 10 different vocabulary words. Each partner is going to have different words. So your words will be here, your partner will be here, and then your teacher's also going to list down here challenge words. So if you have time for those challenge words will be listed here. Under communication, this is where you go if you want to know how to ask questions, or where you can go to ask questions, or who you can go to ask questions. Questions and comments, this is another place. If you don't want to ask us questions, or we're busy helping another student, you can come here and use these Google Docs to type in your questions, or if you have a comment or a suggestion, you can put those in here too. And there's a space on the over here on the left where you can ask your teacher or myself, and over here on the right is just for students. So if you guys want to just comment or talk amongst yourselves, this is a place for you over here on the right. Under the reflection tab, this is what we'll do. These are kind of the steps of what we'll do when we're done with the project, and how and we'll take a look and ask ourselves some questions about the project, and to see what we got out of it, and see if we learned about dictionaries and Google Docs. Under models, this is kind of like the museum link, where we will add knowledge building centers as they are created, so that people can come for examples. Okay, here's the products tab. This is the main thing right here. This is your final class project. This is where everybody is going to come in, each partner set, and add their words. They're going to add them in alphabetical order. They're going to be spelled right. You can add your synonyms. You can add your challenge words. If you want, you can give your words a sentence. And you can see it's set up A through Z. So you need to find, where your word, so if your word is apple, you need to put it under A. So this is our major product. This is what we want to see in the end. And this is what we'll be able to brag to everybody about. Tours. This is where this tutorial is going to be located. So if you would like to go back and watch it, you can come here and rewatch this tutorial. If for some reason you guys are curious about creating your own tutorial, or would like to add a little tutorial about your learning experience, or something you want to share with the class, there's a couple links here to creating tutorials, and I would be so happy to help you create one of those if you have any questions. The Help Center tab, there's just a list of tools to help you and people who can help you. So if you have questions, these are the people you can come to, and these are some of the tools you can use. And the last page is a contact us. That's my information, and your teacher's information will go here. So if you or anybody has any problems, getting into your Google Docs or anything, this is where our information is. Okay, that is the second grade dictionary project, Knowledge Building Center. I hope you guys have a great time with this project, and I can't wait to see how the dictionary turns out. Okay, I'll be seeing you in class.